What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks and lifestyle, but this is a video diary series where I post daily with no strategy, just vibes. So if you like that type of content, then go ahead and subscribe. And while you're at it, you might as well turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a video. Today, I am grateful for the community that I have, the love and support that I receive from people that I love, my friends, my families. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I can lean on others when I feel helpless, or when I feel down and out, or when I'm just emotionally exhausted or drained. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I have people in my community, in my circle, that reminds me of who I am, reminds me of my worth, reminds me of my goals, reminds me of what I'm focused on, reminds me of my potential, reminds me of my power, reminds me of my magic, reminds me of my position in life. And they support me because they are in alignment with my vision. I'm so grateful that I'm not alone. I'm grateful that I can receive love from all aspects of life. I can receive love from people, anyone, anything. I'm grateful that I have the power to not put all my eggs in one basket. I'm grateful for my experiences in life. I'm grateful for the lessons. I'm grateful for this moment. I'm grateful that I'm choosing to speak life and to not let changes dictate how I feel long term. I'm grateful that I can pour into everyone else's cup because I pour into mine first. I'm grateful for the drive that I have. I'm grateful for how purpose driven I am. I'm grateful for the sacrifices I've made. I'm grateful for good memories. I'm grateful for every challenge I've faced. I'm grateful for every mountain I've climbed. I'm grateful. That I'm choosing to heal and to not stay at a low place. I'm grateful that I'm not afraid to speak up when I'm not okay. I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for my support system. I'm grateful for my creativity. I am grateful. And I'm in such a good place right now in this moment where all I want to do is express gratitude. I'm grateful that no matter what curveballs life sends me, I'm at a place where I'm emotionally aware. I'm emotionally intelligent enough to understand that everything is not to be taken personally, you know? I'm grateful that I get to decide what's next for me in my life. I'm grateful that I get to explore and see what I like, what makes me happy. I'm grateful that I'm never alone. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for you all. I'm grateful for my subscribers. I'm grateful for this channel. I'm grateful for my brands. I'm grateful for my businesses. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm looking forward to the day that I can rewatch these video diary episodes and commend myself for doing the work, commend myself for healing, commend myself for being vulnerable, commend myself for taking a chance and betting on me, and just to be proud, you know, reflect and be proud. So that's all I have for y'all today. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.